What we want to do is create the findPath function and add it to the object prototype in order to use it like this, obj.findPath. Hey guys, welcome to Codemas Day 20. For this video I wanted to create a simple to-do list using React, but on one of the groups I am on Facebook, someone asked a question about how to add the function to the object prototype and do something very specific, which I want to address in order to answer their question. Now it's worth mentioning that if you have any JavaScript questions, feel free to contact me and ask me directly. So let's see how to solve their problem. Now we basically have this object here that has another object and then another object inside it, which in turn has a C key with the number 12 as the value. What we want to do is create the findPath function and add it to the object prototype in order to use it like this, obj.findPath. And then as a parameter we want to pass a string in this format, which in turn will give us the actual value that exists on this path of the object. So in this case, if we pass a.b.c, we will get 12, because this is the path inside this object, and then a.b will return the object with c and then 12 as the value, like this, and all the others like abd, ac, abcd, and so on will return undefined because the path does not match. So first let's add the findPath function inside the object prototype. So object prototype dot findPath will be a function that will get the path as a parameter. So first we have to split the path at the dots. So let keys equals to path.split at the dots. And now we basically have an array with A, B and C, for example. And then we want to say keys reduce, and I will use reduce because we want to iterate through all the keys that we have in the array, and then at the end we want to return the value that we ended up with. So also return now keys reduce acc car, and then a function, of course, and let's start with undefined. So inside this callback, for every iteration we have the value of the key, the current key, and also the accumulator. If the accumulator is undefined, like it is initially, we want to return the object, which we can access by using this keyword, and its current key. Otherwise, we will return the accumulator with the current key. Basically like this, return if the accumulator is true, then we want to return accumulator current. Otherwise, we want to return this car. Save and also fix return. And let's go to Chrome to see what happens. Refresh. Let's compare it with what we have. So basically we have 12 as expected. And then we have also the object C with the value 12 as expected. And then everything else is undefined. That's all for today's video, thanks for watching. I know it was short, but it has some basic JavaScript concepts that all of us need to understand how to use. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button because it's really helpful for me to understand what kind of content you want to see more of. Make sure to also subscribe if you want to get more JavaScript tips. I will see you tomorrow, have a nice day.